Hey everyone, it's Nick with Us versus Herd. We had a pretty wicked Friday, and I will say there's probably a lot of lessons to be had for this week. Today, I closed up the day $134 realized profit in options and only $7.50 up in futures trading. You're like, hey, that's terrible. And I agree, $7.50 is terrible. But to be honest with you, at one point in my futures trading account, I was down $995 and I clawed my way back up out of the dirt, out of the ditch, and I made it back to green today with $7.50. So yes, it got ugly. Yes, I am not proud that that happened, but I am happy I was able to trade my way out of it back into the green. So, on a Friday, especially on a day like today, you want to close green. You don't want to give up all your week's profits on a Friday. And sometimes Fridays, maybe it's a good day to take off. I mean, I probably should just took off instead of traded, closed out, just not traded. And there was a lot of stuff that happened today that I'll go over in a second. But if you made money today, comment below, got paid. If you lost money today, comment below, learned a lesson. Let me know how you did, and do me a big favor, hit the like button for the YouTube algo. So getting straight into it, today, I think the biggest mistake that I made here today, let me bring up my futures trading account, or the futures chart here that I was trading off of. So I was trading futures. I missed the entire morning where we had some pretty clean price action to the upside, pretty clean price action to the downside. And my biggest mistake right in here, trading the chop. I traded the chop and my account got chopped. Thankfully, we had some nice downside action here in the afternoon, right around 1 o'clock Central Time. I'm in Chicago area, so it's Central Time. The biggest problem here is here, right down in here. I captured this move down here, right? I captured this move down. The reason why there's so many buys is because I'm trading 5 lots, and I let them go at certain periods of time. What happened here, though, so I captured this down move here. I was holding contracts here. This spike up right here stopped me out. I had a little bit of a tighter stop, but it came down. The pricing, as you can see, I sold some contracts down in here, or I bought them back because I was short. I bought some contracts back down here. I had a stop up in this area here. This thing came down all the way to 780, 750, 760 area, bounced all the way back up to the 800. As you can see, I got stopped out here, 799.50, got stopped out 799.50, 799.75, got stopped out with 4 contracts, so my 5 contract lot. And then what happened, they immediately took it down. Probably should have got back in, but I didn't. So I missed a nice profit window right in here, got stopped out. Thankfully made this. And then the end of the day run. So made some nice money back here on this nice reversal here, pumped up. I was a little bit hesitant to get in here because we were at resistance. And then at the end of the day, this is what pushed me to the green. This last candle at the end of the day pushed me green. So, when you're trading some wicked price action like today, looking at SPY here, SPY, not so bad. But if you look at the Qs, tech in general was a disaster. At one point, we were tapped in resistance. We fell apart early this morning, and then we had another attempt here, fell apart, then another attempt. And this is where I said that I got in trouble, is when I was trading this chop. Like, don't trade the chop. If it's choppy, don't trade it. And that's the lesson I'm going to take into next week for myself, is just don't trade the chop, because they axe your account on both sides. Win or lose, you get axed. So then we had this nice down move where we made some nice money, and then I made some nice money on the V-shaped recovery. But this is crazy, crazy, crazy price action. And still today, Qs closed right below, or right at the 10-day moving average. We're still below the 50-day moving average. So we can get chopped up a little bit more next week. We could have some consolidation. As you can see, we've been having a multi-week consolidation here where we're peeing between, let's say, 310, 320. So the chop is getting, day trading is working out, but you have to stay disciplined and don't get carried away. Don't be buying like on the Qs, don't be buying the 340, 350 calls. Like you got to stick within the zone right now, and that's what we're trying to do. BLNK, I made a little bit of money on today too. BLNK had earnings, came in flat, so I took advantage of the premium crush on BLNK. I got a, let's see here, I'll show you the order here. So I put it on for a 332 credit, bought it back for $1.98, easy premium crush. Obviously, if I held that position on BLNK here, it got crushed even more. I bought it back for $1.98, and into close here came in back, bought back for 58 cents. So that was really it. I pretty much just closed BLNK. The rest of my positions I'm kind of chilling on right now. I mean, they took Boeing. Yesterday, Boeing was up 30% for me. Today, my Boeing position is down 35%. ARC came back strong. ARC almost died, like literally died. ARC came back from the dead. It went from 109 up to 114. So I think Moon Day is in order. I'm not going to keep it too long. I just wanted to have a short, sweet, kind of let you know, give you some motivation that if you made it through this week, congrats. It was a very, very tough trading week. We made it through. I made it through green. If you made it through green, comment below, say made it green. If you watch this the video to the end, comment below, watch to the end. And as always, stay safe, stay green. It's us versus herd.